Three bracket fungus that have fallen from trees. Small one over there. If you can see the perforations in it, there is a fungus beetle that eats into these plants. This is considerably older, but still good for tinder. Once it's charred, it's beautiful stuff. Best tinder you can get. Turn this one over so you can see it better. You can see that's where it was attached to the tree. So it would sit roughly on the tree like this. That's how you would see it from below. Now I don't know if you can see where the bugs have eaten this one. See here? Very, very soft and powdery. If you strike a spark into that with flint and steel, it will catch a spark as is, without having to char it. And there are not many tinders you can actually do that with, but this is one of them. Very fragile in places. In wet weather like this, they're like a sponge. They soak up the water and become so heavy that they just fall from the tree. This one again, you can see the bark where it was attached to the tree. So it would have been attached thus. It sticks out from the tree considerably, so it makes it easy to spot, and it's white, which makes it easier again. You can probably see on the back here again, very small particles that will catch a spark. This is very good stuff. Now it's only just stopped raining heavily. In fact, it's still spitting. But this bracken is dry kindling. The wind is such that the wind has dried it out almost as quick as it got wet.